Revolutionary processor. Faster. Smoother. Better. The powerful new GP2 engine changes the game. Snappy performance, responsive touch controls and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Designed specifically for the demanding nature of the GoPro, the GP2 system on a chip is by far our fastest ever. High-res photos plus videos, high frame rate, step up to the sharpest shooting GoPro ever. Upgraded to incredible 23 megapixels photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 fps, HERO10 offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus, there's 8x slo-mo at 2.7K and you can pause videos and grab 15.8 megapixels still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. Unbelievable image quality. Shoot with fine detail, realistic textures and stunning contrast, even in low light. Images look their best thanks to a new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover that repels water while helping to eliminate lens flare and other artifacts. Hyper Smooth 4.0. Hyper Smooth has never been smoother, and it's easy to dial in the best stabilization at all times. Plus, get even better low-light performance and horizon leveling with a higher tilt limit, so your footage looks perfectly straight when you want it. Fast, reliable connectivity. Super easy, super fast. Transferring photos and videos from your cloud-connected GoPro to your phone is simple and versatile, with your choice of effortless wireless upload via the Quick app or a lightning-fast wired connection via USB. There's also unlimited cloud storage with hassle-free auto-upload. Just plug in your camera when connected to your home Wi-Fi and the camera does the rest. Top reviews from the United States. I use this camera underwater when I scuba dive. The pictures really are much better than the 9. My night dive pictures really did turn out great. This camera makes me want to shoot more photos than video these days because of the color and crispness I'm getting. I had no problem with the battery life as others had reported. One battery lasts 2 dives, basically all morning. I change batteries at lunch. I can dive all day on 2 batteries. I would recommend the 10.